Hi there. So you have a still BG56 leaf blower that's been standing and you want to start it. There's going to be two scenarios. Either you don't get it started after it's been standing, or you can't get it started after it's been used. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to get it started after it's been standing for a while. First, you're going to prime the primer bulb until it's full of fuel and you feel it squishing through. Let's do about 5 to 6 primes. Then this small mechanism here, it has 3 positions. You're gonna have to want to put it on the furthest back full choke position. Now we're gonna try and attempt to start it. As soon as the machine turns over and it runs, you're gonna squish on the throttle and the choke will turn off and the machine will be ready for use. You can warm it up slightly and then it would settle down and idle. Let's quickly do that. So we're gonna put it on full choke and attempt to start it. Okay, second scenario, the machine is hot, you can't get it to start, it fires and it dies down. Now you can do it by putting it on half choke, not full choke. We're going to start it again. The nice thing about this machine, the moment you pull on the throttle, the choke disengages completely and it goes to run. So there's 2 ways to get your machine started and running easily. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.